Hey, I'm Jaga. This is a sneak peek about deploying on another server your Docker Compose project. Here I have a pretty simple Docker Compose with a Next.js application and a Postgres database. We can see that nothing is running on my machine, but I can do Docker Compose up, build and launch project. So let's go here. Bam, 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 bam. Increment. I can kill it and have it up again with a sec that is starting up. Okay, as you can see, 12 is using the database as a counter, so perfect. I run Docker PS. This is another server and I want to deploy this application to my other server without really needing to build here or build in a GitHub action and deploy to a Docker registry. I just want to have this to run as easy as possible to my server. So let's do it. There's a really cool option that you can pass to any Docker command that is called Docker host and allow you to run the command on a different machine. For example, if I run docker host ssh.proximus, this is the name of one of my server. If I run this, as you can see, we have the same result of this other machine because yeah, this is running the command in this other machine. While on mine, run it again, there's nothing running at the moment, but we can do pretty much anything. Docker Compose up. Oh boy, what is happening? This is sending the context of the project is the same as it will be if we run it locally, but it's doing it in another machine. And we can do Docker PS. You can see that Postgres and the Next.js application are running in my other server, and we can go to http://docker 3000. It's just Docker because I have a rule on my router that points it to it. It's 3000, not 300. And look at this. I mean, that's crazy because this could be DigitalOcean or Ethernet or whatever, and this is going to run, and it's fantastic. And there's a really super clean and simple way to deploy for especially simple application. Of course, it is not handling things like zero runtime deployment, but this is something we're gonna touch in another video. For now, let's see how easy it is to just another deploy. So let's go to the page and counter hello. What is happening now is that we are do it again. Oh no, my mistake. We should do a build. We should tell the server redo a build because there are changes, and it's going to cache everything that is able to cache as usual because it has already happened, the build on that server. So there are already layers of that image that can be cached. This is not even optimized at all. Is not even using PNPM. It's not using a lot of techniques to make it faster to deploy and faster to build. Also, that small server is not really powerful. This can be like 10 times even more faster if we just spend some time optimizing it, and we will on later videos. This is just to showcase something that we will do in the future. And I mean, as you can see, it kept the database state from one deploy to another, of course, because it's using a volume for the database. Is the updated version. Hope you found this useful. Bye. I am preparing a whole series about getting started with Docker, from I have no idea what is Docker to being able to use Docker Compose to deploy your full stack application in the database, Redis, WebSocket, and whatnot, being able to secure it, backup it, and whole things in between. So if it's something interesting for you, wait for a new video on the channel. Bye.